Jack Ryder's been investigating something dangerous. It drew him to the Lady of Gotham. I should track him down. This won't end with a Pulitzer.
My dear brethren, we are gathered here in honor of the one true Father. Who dares disrupt this ritual?
Batman, is that you? Get me out of here!
This is sacred ground, heathen. You do not belong here. But God has sent you so that I may bathe in your blood too. My children, the devil comes clad in black. Slay him where he stands. Quickly, the time of sacrifice draws near. How many pieces? Roast him good. Either you die.
Untie me, you crazy bastard!
I'm cutting. God endeth his power.
I can still take you.
Heavens open and fight the demon.
I'll get you anything you want. Interviews, radio, your own friggin' talk show, you name it! Just let me go!
Rising, strike the infidel. Cowards, all of them. They lacked faith. Batman, I do not. I know the truth. Now you will see the blade slice his throat and watch me bathe in immortality.
Don't do this, please!
Silence, child. Your cries fall like seed. I've faced death more times than you can possibly imagine. I'll still be here when you're dead and gone, Batman. Gotham will be mine.
Spare me this sermon.
What took you? I'm kidding. Looks like I got my story. This is it, Batman. This could get me back in the game. My own show. Hey, first guest, how about it? The real Batman. Your story.
I'm taking you back to GCPD.
You're stepping into my church now, Deacon.
Look around you, Batman. Look at what you seek to protect. Gotham is fallen. Why are you still fighting? This is over.
I say when it's over, Blackfire. Take him down to the cells.
Hey, don't look too pleased to see me, officer.
You think this Blackfire's a real priest, Batsy? It's just, I owe Gotham Church an apology for that incident with the hydrochloric holy water. Oh, that was one hell of a baptism.
Sir, I'm picking up a distress signal from a stranded cargo vessel. I'm attempting to establish radio contact, but there's too much interference.
Send me the coordinates. I'll investigate.
it's over. The night is young, my friend. Plenty of time for us to kill that freak.
You're right. My probation officer said I should be more positive in my outlook.
Sir, I know one would be hard-pushed ever to call Gotham clement, but icebergs?
This isn't the weather, Alfred.
I feared as much. As well as battling the cold, there's a sizable deployment of militia troops aboard the boat. I have a feeling they'll object to your presence.
I'll win them over.
Checking on man down. Cover me. Where? On the forward deck. Let's be quick!
I need to get closer.
Can you hear me?
I need a new one!
Hey, you just crashed the drone. You okay? What's that?
He's over there!
We got away using some sort of smoke!
I think something's moving. I got him! Batman!
We need eyes on target now! You can't run from me! Target's moving! I need help here! We lost him! Start checking for men down!
I'm picking up a signal here. Got noise everywhere. I'm searching for a lock-on.
Nothing we can do here. Spread out and find him. I'm gonna check on the guy Batman took down. Oh, God, no. Get over here. I found someone. He's injured. Where are you? On the forward deck. Look at all these guys. He's picking us off. We can't afford to lose any more men. He's too fast. We don't stand a chance. Nothing we can do for him. We spread out. Get revenge. We should check on the guy Batman took out. Let's be quick.
Nothing we can do here. Spread out and find him.
Possible man down. Search the area. Find him.
The ship's on lockdown. I need to find the security controls. Time to get inside. Bodies encased in ice.
Warning, cryogenerator unstable. Warning, cryogenerator unstable.
Reroute auxiliary power.
Error, system failure. Cryogenerator unstable.
No! More.
Victor.
They wanted me to join them, help fight you. I refused, so they took her. They took Nora. Because of you. She'll die without my care. But they said they'll return her in exchange for Batman.
Warning, cryogenerator unstable.
If you trust them, Victor, take your shot.
Warning, cryogenerator unstable.
Find her, Batman. Please.
I will. Get the ship under control.